How to find the viral add your sticker on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the very viral sticker on your Instagram. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, make sure before using Instagram that you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram so that you won't see any lagging and also won't miss out any new features on the Instagram. So if you have already done so, then you can open your Instagram now. Now, after opening your Instagram, just click any picture, or you can also add any picture from your gallery or also any videos from your gallery. And after adding the videos or photos on the story, before posting it, you will see something like this on the top bar. So among this, you can just click on the sticker option where the emoji is on the square section. Just tap there. Now you will see many options right here. And just on the second row, you will see on the last column there is add your sticker. Now you can just tap this and you can write a prompt that you want to. Like I will write Doraemon. And people will also post their picture, whatever they feel like from this. So let's post anything. I'll just write this and then post it on my story, and whenever anyone will see my story, and they can also post anything by just tapping on this add yours option. And likewise, many people can add their own pictures. So this is how we can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.